How to create attendance in Google Meet. So first is let's create a meeting right here. Just like so, and once you're inside of the meeting, you just simply need to click on the meeting tools here at the bottom right. Then this section will pop up. Now once it's done, click on the plus icon here on the bottom right. And here you will just simply need to search for attendance tracker. And this should pop up, and now what you want to do is just simply click on install. Then you simply sign in, so click on continue. And now as you can see, it is currently loading and you will need to sign in with your Google account to get started. And here you will just simply need to authorize it. So authorize Google Meet, then this will pop up. So another page will pop up. Then click on continue again. And now as you can see, it will automatically generate you an attendance report. And if I click on view report, it will show me this page right here. So it will show the participant that have joined and also the duration on how long they have been inside of the meeting and when did they arrive, just like this. Of course, I'm the only one inside of the meeting right here. That's why it only recorded one participant. But of course, if you have a lot of members or people inside of the meeting, it will show all of their analytics right here or the report overview. And that is how you basically take attendance in Google Meet.